Fear of uncertainty in trading? Krishnamurti's Radical Wisdom for Market Mastery. Markets are uncertain. The future is unknown. And fear, that ever-present shadow, follows us into every trade. But what if the fear isn't coming from the market at all? What if it's coming from within? In today's video, we'll explore the powerful insights of Krishnamurti, not as spiritual philosophy, but as a psychological toolkit for traders and investors. This isn't about tips or predictions. It's about a radical shift in how we perceive uncertainty, risk, and fear, and how that can free us from emotional traps in the financial world. Chapter 1. The market is uncertain. So what? Krishnamurti said, "The demand for certainty is the greatest form of insecurity." Most traders seek a sense of control through indicators, news, strategies, but the market is by nature unpredictable. We fear uncertainty because we were taught to. Our minds equate not knowing with danger. But the market doesn't threaten us. Our attachment to being right does. In trading, freedom begins when we stop demanding guarantees. Chapter 2. Observing fear without controlling it. Krishnamurti's method was simple but profound. Observe your fear without resisting it. In a drawdown, when positions go red, what arises? Fear of loss, ego, regret? Don't suppress it. Don't fix it. Just watch it with total awareness, no judgment. The observer is the observed, he said. In markets, this means the fear you feel is not separate from your identity as a trader. When you observe it clearly, the fear begins to dissolve. Chapter 3. Thought creates fear. The fear of losing isn't about now. It's about what your mind projects into the future. You imagine going broke, being humiliated, missing out. But these are just thoughts, not truths. Krishnamurti pointed out that thought is time, and fear is born when thought imagines a painful future. So when you're afraid to enter a trade, ask, is there actual danger now? Or is it thought creating fear? This single awareness can break the cycle of hesitation and impulsivity. Chapter 4. Letting go of the psychological trader. You think you're a trader. You've built an identity. Someone who wins, who has to prove themselves. But that identity is fragile, built on past success and future fear. Krishnamurti urged people to go beyond the psychological self, the image we cling to. In markets, this means dropping the need to be the expert, the winner, the consistent performer. When identity fades, presence rises. And a present trader is the most dangerous of all, not to others, but to ego, fear, and illusion. Chapter 5. Action without fear is intelligence. True action isn't driven by fear or greed. It flows from clarity, awareness, and non-attachment. This is what Krishnamurti called intelligence. Not knowledge, not strategy, but the silent clarity that emerges when the mind is not clouded by fear. In trading, this looks like taking a loss without emotional collapse, sitting on the sidelines without FOMO, letting profits run without anxiety. Intelligent action is rooted in seeing, not thinking. Chapter 6. Living with uncertainty is freedom. The paradox is this: when you stop resisting uncertainty, you become free. You trade with detachment. You invest with patience. You accept that not knowing is the highest intelligence. Krishnamurti didn't offer methods. He invited us into deep self-awareness. And in that awareness, fear fades. What remains is a presence so clear it doesn't need certainty to act wisely. Conclusion. If you can sit with uncertainty without trying to escape it, you're already ahead of 95% of traders. Krishnamurti's wisdom isn't a system to follow. It's a mirror that shows you don't have to be fearless. You just need to stop running from fear. Let the market be uncertain. you remain still, aware, and free. If this resonated with your trading journey, subscribe for more mindset resets like this. Like the video to support the channel, comment below, what fear are you ready to face? And share this with a trader who's struggling with doubt or uncertainty.